The concept of blooming garden, blooming ideas, captures a rich metaphor for growth and creativity. Imagine a space where vibrant flora represents the flourishing of ideas and thoughts. Just as a garden requires nurturing, sunlight, and water to thrive, so too do our ideas need encouragement, exploration, and cultivation. In such a setting, creativity can be seen as a natural process, much like the way plants develop from seeds into full-blooming flowers. Consider the parallels between gardening and brainstorming. In both cases, the initial stage involves planting, whether it's seeds in soil or ideas in our minds. With time, care, and attention, these seeds or ideas can develop into something substantial. Just as different plants have unique needs, so do different ideas require distinct approaches to help them grow. Some may need more time, while others might flourish with a bit of nurturing and encouragement. The garden represents a dynamic environment where experimentation and patience yield beautiful results. Moreover, a blooming garden can symbolize the endless possibilities inherent in every creative endeavor. As plants grow and evolve, they often reveal unexpected beauty and form, much like how our ideas can transform and surprise us. This ongoing cycle of growth reflects the continuous nature of creativity. It reminds us that even after we have developed one idea, there are always new seeds to plant and new concepts to explore. This metaphor can extend to collaborative environments as well. Just as a garden flourishes with diverse plants working together in harmony, creative projects benefit from a variety of perspectives and skills. Each participant brings their unique strengths, contributing to a richer and more robust final outcome. By fostering an environment where ideas can grow organically, much like a well-tended garden, we encourage innovation and collective success. In practical terms, this concept can be applied to various settings, from educational workshops to business brainstorming sessions. A workshop themed around blooming garden, blooming ideas might involve interactive activities that encourage participants to nurture their ideas and share their creative processes. Similarly, businesses could use this concept to create a collaborative space where team members feel inspired to ideas